All right, picture this. You're cruising through the countryside on three wheels, the wind brushing past your face, and behind you, your very own compact camper. Not a van, not a trailer, a full-on tricycle camper. Yeah, 2025 is doing things different, and we're here for it. This tiny house on wheels is built on a three-wheeled electric platform, and it looks straight up futuristic. From the outside, it gives you space shuttle vibes, minimal curves, sleek lines, and a form factor that makes people stare. And not in the "what is that thing" ways, more like "yo, where can I get one?" The front is your typical e-trike setup, handlebars, digital display, and a decent windshield to cut the breeze. But then it stretches into this compact, spaceship-like camper shell at the back. You've got matte finishes, LED accent lighting strips on the edges, and solar panels layered on top like armor. Some models even have retractable panels that pop out at the push of a button, straight transformer style. Let's slide to the good part, the inside. Now, don't expect a luxury apartment in here, but what you do get is seriously clever. Use of space. First up, a convertible bench that flips into a single bed. Above that, storage compartments that don't feel like cheap plastic. We're talking composite panels with magnetic latches. Opposite that bench, a pop-out mini table with a rotating arm, workstation by day, dinner table by night. You even get a small slide-out drawer kitchen, complete with a single-burner induction stove, sink, and a mini fridge that actually holds more than 2 soda cans. Impressive, right? Lighting's all LED, ambient with soft yellow tones, so it doesn't feel like you're living in a fridge. Oh, and yes, there's a ventilation fan with a carbon filter system up top to keep the air fresh. Depending on the model, some come with a mini composting toilet tucked under a flip-up seat. Is it glamorous? No. Is it better than digging a hole behind a tree? Absolutely. Performance-wise, this thing is not built to break speed records, all right? It's got a 2500W electric motor in the rear hub, can push up to 45 kilometers per hour depending on terrain. You'll get around 90 to 120 kilometers. On a full charge, depending on your load and how many hills you're climbing. Not bad, considering you're pulling a tiny home behind you. Regenerative braking gives you a little boost on downhill rides, and the ride itself. Surprisingly smooth thanks to the suspension system built into both the front fork and rear axle. Weight-wise, it stays under 200 kilos, which means even with a full battery and some cargo, you're not dragging a brick around. And yes, it's legally classified as a tricycle in most places, so you don't need a special license to operate it. Just hop on and roll. Now let's talk money. These 2025 models start at around $7,000 for the base version. Just the shell, battery, motor, and basic interior. If you want the solar package, retractable kitchen, toilet setup, or extra battery range, you're looking at closer to $10,000, $12,000. Not cheap, but when you compare that to a van or an RV, you're saving thousands. Plus, you're probably never paying for gas again. So who's this thing for? Honestly, solo travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who wants a minimalist off-grid escape with style. You won't be racing down highways or doing cross-country hauls every week, but for weekend adventures, urban camping, or even stealth living. This tricycle camper is an absolute game changer. Would I live in it full-time? If I was solo, probably yes. It's compact, affordable, doesn't scream, "look at me," and it checks off the essentials with just the right touch of innovation. The only thing it's missing is a shower. But hey, public gyms still exist. Anyway, that's the 2025 tricycle camper. It's weird, it's wild, and it might just be the future of micro-living.